All right, so this video is to show you how you can update your holiday days within the system. This is something you'll typically do towards the end of the year when you're starting to set up your system for the next fiscal year. You'll be doing things like adding the new fiscal periods that are coming up. And you're going to want to take your company's, essentially like your company's holiday calendar, and load that into the system as well. The importance of doing this is just to ensure that anything where a due date is based on business day due. So a common example might be for your month-end close tasks. When the system is determining what the actual due date of that task is, that it takes your holiday calendar into effect. So it's pretty straightforward on how to do it. I'll walk you through it right here. You'll want to go to your locations and holiday calendars window. Change your, on your drop-down box, change it over to holidays. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, you can see that you could add your new days. So let's say I just wanted to add January 1st as my first holiday day. I could always just key it in this way. And then click add. And now that day is part of my holiday schedule. There is the ability to import from an Excel file, but what I find in most cases, typically maybe there's 8 or 9 holiday days that need to be added, and I just find it easier just to key things in here and hit the add button. But again, if you did want to import it from a spreadsheet, you can use this import link over here.